Can an LLC deduct car payments? Yes, an LLC can deduct car payments, but only if the vehicle is used for business purposes. If the car is owned by the LLC and used exclusively for business, the LLC can generally deduct the full payment along with related expenses like insurance, maintenance, and fuel. If the car is used for both business and personal purposes, only the business portion of the expenses can be deducted. In that case, you'll need to keep accurate mileage logs or records to prove the percentage of business use versus personal use. The IRS requires this documentation to support your deduction. Another option is to deduct actual expenses like gas, repairs, and depreciation instead of the full car payment, depending on which method gives the larger deduction. Zen Business can help you set up your LLC properly so you can take advantage of business deductions like vehicle expenses. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.